How to turn off or on profile picture permission on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shopping and then click the three lines here, and on here click settings and then permissions, and now just wait, and now scroll until you find here this one, profile, turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.